going to see him go high at the boys and boys.
ਕਈ ਜਣਾ ਨਿਆਣਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਚੱਕਦੇ
We're getting high up. High on the boys and girls the same. Sitting in there, boys and girls, a little bit scary. Well, let's go. Look at this guy. Radio! We're up there. And can we get a countdown, boys and girls, for gold? Oh, they're really loud. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
ਗੱਡੀ ਦਾ ਹਾਲ ਦੇ
Where's Mum and Dad's car? We need Mum and Dad's car. We do better get right of that car. We do it again.
नवा कुछ ना कुछ करते पाया ना गंदी आ
So we've got Debbie Darlington in the lead here, coming out of turns 4. So Dave Hamilton right up her arse here. We've got Clyde Pope in 3. Here we go into turn 1. Still Debbie Darlington lead. Dave Hamilton second. Then we've got Luke 75 and Hayley Pope coming into third. A bit of a battle between 75 and 66. Here we go. Let's see if Dave can get back past Debbie. Out of turn 4 we come. Debbie Donaldson still got the lead. Debbie Donaldson, Dave Hamilton, 75 and Hayley Pope. Dipsy and Dipsy. They're both in one each. One each. They're good one each. No, it's still 1 and 1 each. Yes! Over in the back. Oh, it's stuck on the
ਉਹ ਵੀ ਸਟਕ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ
There we go.
That's okay, there's still 2 each. They're even girls and boys. In the next straight, there goes Dipsy upside down. He is winning. think Pixie's just took the lead. No. Still 2-1. 3-1. 3-2.